Hello, all of you beautiful people out there. It is me, Madison, and I hope you're doing so well today. Today, you guys, we are going to be chowing down on these delicious wraps that I have right here in front of me from an all-vegan food truck here in Austin, Texas called Conscious Cravings. I just had these delivered from Uber Eats, and kind of obsessed with Uber Eats. I've been drinking this Wrapzzz Wicked Apple cider, and yeah, I'm burping in this video, so you're welcome. You guys, so I just had these delivered from Uber Eats, and I'm so excited about them. These are like 3 of the most popular wraps that they have. This one is the barbecue seitan, I think. I just unwrapped them. I can't remember which order I went in. And then this one is blackened tofu, and then this one is called CC Diner, which I can't even remember what's in all of them, but I'm really excited to try them. And to go with the wraps, I have some barbecue sauce and vegan mayo mixed together, and of course some chopped up onions, because they never put enough onions and stuff. Whenever you're ordering your food, you like ask for extra onions, and they're like, oh, sprinkle I'm like, no, sprinkle, motherfuckers. Okay, I'm in a mood, you guys. Then when I was in the store, you guys know that I love sparkling water, right? I saw this is White Claw hard seltzer. It's in the flavor black cherry, but it's like alcoholic sparkling water. So I'm so excited to try it. Let's actually open it right now, you guys. Interesting. Ooh, it's so good. Okay. Oh, and then I also have some Waterloo sparkling water in the flavor coconut. And you guys, I'm going to be giving you guys an update on what's been going on with me. I feel so bad because I haven't uploaded, oh my God, in like a week. I miss you guys. I actually legit do. Okay, so let's get into it. Barbecue first. I love anything like vegan barbecue. Oh my God. Okay, who besides me sometimes likes to pick away the tortilla at the front of your like wraps or burritos? I can taste the barbecue sauce. Because like I'll eat it. I'll eat the tortilla. But like I don't want my first bite to just be like all tortilla. Like I really want to enjoy my first bite of the food. Oh my God. Look at that. This is seitan, you guys. I love barbecue sauce so much. You guys, I love onions. It's a thing. So, I'm even gonna knock them. I have a towel right here. You guys. So, if you follow me on Snapchat, you saw that I updated you guys on this, but I just finally moved into my new place. I'm here. There's no going back to my house. I got some renters in there, and they seem like really, really nice people. So I'm really excited about that. And hopefully all goes well from here. So I'm in here. I'm still in this weird spot, you guys, because if you guys remember in my last video, I had that like tapestry up, or like that fabric. This one, you guys hated it. Like so many people were like, no, hate it, get rid of it, gone. So it's right here. It's still kind of half-assed hanging up, but so I took it down. everything is still all over the place in my apartment. I feel like my mind is all over the place, you guys. But I just got in here yesterday, and I'm going to be spending the next week getting it together. So I'm really excited about that, honestly. I'm just like looking around at all of my stuff everywhere. But yeah, so here I am in my new place. I spent all last week cleaning, moving, dusting, scrubbing, painting. Oh my God, you guys, there's so much work. I'm really burpy today. That goes into getting a house ready for rent. Oh my God. Okay, this is the blackened tofu. Okay. See, this is, okay, we got to do something about this. Like, there's too much tortilla. I don't even want to eat this. I just want to get right into the nitty gritty of it. Okay. I love tofu so much. Blackened tofu. Okay. Yeah, this is too much tortilla. Not into it. Okay. Oh, fuck. Sorry, Mom. Oh my God, there's so much vegan mayo in this. Oh. I love you. Let's put some onion in there. So, you guys, my arm is doing so much better. If you guys remember, I got stung by a wasp, and my arm was like huge, and I had to go to the emergency room. But it's so much better. This shirt is too tight. I can't show you. I'm just gonna see if I can show you like where the wasp stung me. But I finally got all of the marker off. That fucking marker that they drew on me with, like when I went to the hospital. If you guys don't know, I got stung by a wasp, and it's like the 6th time I've been stung by a wasp recently, like in a year. I know that's a lot, but it's true. Apparently, every time you get stung, your reactions get worse and worse. So, I got stung 4 times in one time. 4 times at once. On my feet. Yum. When that happened, I mean, it wasn't really bad. Like, it swelled up, and, you know, I got some scars. Then the second time, it swelled up pretty bad on my hand. But then this last time on my arm, oh my God. The swelling was so bad, like the inflammation. I thought my arm was going to fall off. So anyways, I went to the ER. And it was super expensive. But now I'm better. So, that's good. Yum. You guys, the gas station where I went to go get this, by the way, I actually used to like live in this area-ish before, and this gas station that I used to go to had the best samosas, like the best samosas I've ever had. Like, they just randomly sold samosas here. So I went back the other day as I was driving by, and I said, you guys, do you guys sell those samosas? And like, they were having like this like reopening because they like remodeled the whole store at the gas station. And they said, we don't have them right now, but we will in the future. Like, give me a week. And that was like 2 weeks ago. So I went in today to go actually just get some sparkling water, but then I found this. And I said, do you guys have those samosas? Well, I went in a while ago. Did I just say that? And I said, you guys still have those samosas? And he's like, no, we're not right now. Like, give me a week and I'll get them to you. And I was like, or I'll have them, back again. And because they were closed for like what he said, I thought he said like 8 months. And he didn't have them. And he was like, give me a week. And then I went in today and they have them. I'm so excited. So I'm going to go get like 1 million of them and do a mukbang with them because they look so freaking good. Oh, and then while I was there, they look so freaking good. They are freaking good. I remember like getting like 3 at a time after I ate dinner. Because they were just so good. Oh my God. They're so good. I cannot wait to share them with you. Anyways, I remember, what was I going to say? Oh, no. And then while I was there, while I was there, I was talking to the guy about the samosas, the cashier. And I was like, I cannot wait to get these because I want to do them for a video. And he's like, a video? And I said, yeah. I always get weirded out when I tell people like about like YouTube or whatever. Not like weirded out, like I avoid it. Obviously I said I'm gonna eat these for a video, but I said I'm gonna make these for a video. He goes, a video? I'm like, yeah, I know. I said, I know this sounds weird, but I like do eating shows on YouTube. And then this girl like comes out of nowhere and she goes, mukbang? Like she comes, like she worked there and she like pops out of fucking nowhere. I don't even know where she came from. She goes, mukbang? I said, yes. Oh my gosh, mukbang. Yeah, that's what I do. And she's like, well, what's your mukbang channel name? And I was like, I told her and I said, please subscribe. So if you're watching this and I saw you at the gas station, what up, girl? Don't dox me. Don't tell people where you work. So, shout out to you. I thought that was pretty funny. She said she likes ASMR and like the hard candy mukbangs, like, or when ASMR people eat the hard like crunchy candy. Let's put some sauce on there. Here's some ASMR for you. I just got sauce all over my leg. You guys, I'm not even kidding. This whole like not cooking in my videos and not editing like reduces my production time by 1,000,000%. Like no cleaning, no cooking, no fucking grocery shopping, none of this stuff. It's like insane. Like making a video is like 1,000,000 times easier. I'm not going to keep doing it because I truly believe in cooking and I love cooking. And I think that the more you cook for yourself, the better. But I'm just saying, this shit is easy peasy lemon squeezy. Okay. I'm trying to think of what else is going on with me. So, let's get into the third one. And I also want to talk about something because I wanted to share with you guys something that I'm grateful for. So in the comments below, will you guys please write down something that you are grateful for? Anything, and I'm going to share mine with y'all. So this is the CC Diner can't remember, like protein nuggets. That tastes like vegan mayo. It's kind of tangy. There's lettuce in here. There needs to be some onion in here. Like, why don't people like put onion in everything? I'll never understand it. I just don't know. And then let's put some of the sauce on here. Okay. Mmm. 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 What is it? What is this that I like in here? I think it's pickles. A relish? Is that relish in there? It's very pickly. Then I like it. Oh, look, there is relish in there. I'm like digging in there with my fingers. This is good. Oh my God. These are some bomb ass wraps. For real. So, oof, that was airy. What I'm grateful for is I'm grateful, so grateful for my health and my strength, because I don't know how I would have been able to get through moving and do all of the things that I did if it wasn't for my able body. So I'm so thankful that I was able to do everything that I did, because it was a lot of hard work and I was fucking moving for days and days and days and days and days. And it was hot as fuck. It's so pickly and vinegary. I love it. So, what are you guys grateful for? Oh my gosh. I have to tell you guys something that I saw today. I was driving to work. Also, by the way, Austin traffic is a bitch, right? Like, if you know anything about Austin, you know that the traffic is like a giant shithole, right? So, I have a new route to work. Obviously, I live in a different place. And they like redid, they're always doing construction and redoing highways and shit like that. But like they redid the highway, so you now have the option to take the toll road. And I'm from Austin I've been back in, I was born in Austin, raised in Hawaii, lived in New Mexico for a little bit, and then came back to Austin 12 years ago. I know Austin. I was here before all these fuckers came here. I know what's up, okay? Let me tell you something. The traffic is shit, and it's super confusing getting around now. Nothing makes sense. Nothing made sense. It sort of made sense before, but now it just really doesn't make a fucking lick of sense. So I accidentally got on the freaking toll road the other day to go to work, and I paid like $3 just to go to work on the toll road, which was super confusing. But anyways, I was going to work today, and there actually wasn't too much traffic. It was pretty smooth. And then all of a sudden, things slow down. And if you're from a big city and you know anything about traffic, like you could be like smooth sailing, right, on the highway, and then all of a sudden traffic is like, boom, stopped. Complete halt. So you always have to like be super, super cautious whenever you're driving to make sure that you don't like kill yourself, right? So I don't know what happened, but I got there like maybe 30 seconds after it happened, but traffic started slowing down, and I'm in the lane closest to the right, and I see this girl. I see cop lights going, so I'm like, okay, like cops are already there or whatever. So, but because it's clearly an accident that I'm looking at, and as I'm getting closer, I see this girl running out, and she's in the middle of this like merge lane that's over on this side to the further right, and she's in the middle of the merge lane, and she's got like black tank top on, black runner shorts, and black tennis shoes, and she's like kind of like swaying back and forth and like going like clearly very, very, very upset, and like she's like in the merge lane and cars are coming up this way, and I'm like, oh my god, like what the fuck? But like there's cop lights, but nobody's like grabbing her or something like that. So as I get closer, what I saw what had happened was her car, she was driving a black car, and she really likes the color black, I guess. She had black hair. Smashed into a cop car. Like she totaled her car. Like it was straight fucked. Like there's no coming back. The whole like bumper was like dented. It was super, super totaled. And she smashed into the back of the cop car, which was weird because they were like in the middle of like the right hand lane and the merge lane, like in this like little like merge section where like traffic doesn't go. I don't know if I'm making any sense in this story, but anyways, I don't know what happened, but she fucked up her car and smashed really badly into the back of a cop car. And so she's like wandering in like the merge lane right here, and the cop, like as I'm starting to get closer, comes out of his car, and he's got like, it was on his left side, he's got like this huge scrape like right here on his side, this side of his face, and he's like getting out, and he's like all discombobulated or whatever. And poor guy, he's like trying to manage the scene, and he's like trying to on his walkie, and this girl's like, Wah! She's getting progressively more upset. She takes off her tank top, and she's got a sports bra on underneath. Guess what color? Yep, you guessed it, black. And she's like, Wah! Choked. Blah! She's like going nuts, and then this one lady like pulled over like in front of me, and she gets out and she like goes and grabs the girl from out in the middle of the street, and she's like grabbing her by the hand, like dragging her over to her, and like because I like rolled down my passenger side window because I wanted to hear what's going on. I was like, bzzz. Like, what's going on over here? And the lady was like trying to calm her down, like, calm down, you need to calm down. And she was like sobbing and going nuts. I don't know if she was like drunk or what, but it was like maybe like 1 p.m. Anyways, I feel like this story is going on and on and on. Anyways, this chick fucking smashed into the back of a cop car. She freaked the fuck out. This poor cop was trying to like handle the situation because there was also another car in front of him that got hit. But it caused a huge delay because there was another girl that I work with that got caught behind it. And she was like 20 minutes late for work. I love these wraps, you guys. These are actually pretty damn good. So, what else? Oh, something that I've been doing lately, because this shit has been driving me fucking nuts. I probably do it. I'm literally a version of everything that I hate. But I don't know about you guys, but I don't watch anything else besides YouTube. But you know what I've noticed lately? Is that people talk so fucking slow in their videos. Eat some more of this one. And so what I've been doing is I've been putting, you know how you can adjust playback speed? I've been adjusting playback speed for people's videos to either 1.25 or 1.5, which makes a lot of people's videos way more tolerable. But sometimes you like, when your autoplay comes on and the next video comes on, and then that person like speaks in a normal rate that you don't feel like you're gonna kill yourself because you're so bored. You're just like, whoa, what the hell's going on with this guy today? Anyways, I don't know. Do you guys do that? Do you speed up people's rate at which they talk? Because sometimes I want to hear what they have to say, but sometimes they speak like a little too slow, and you just want the words to come out a bit faster. I mean, I don't know. Maybe it's my ADHD talking. I don't know. But that is it for me. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye!